Hi little pupils, welcome to 5th standard science online class. Children, take your science book and page number 72. Today we are going to see the next lesson, that is lesson number 6, Animals, Habitat and Adaptation. In this lesson, we will discuss about the different living areas of the animals and how they adapt, that is how they make the areas suitable for their living. Different animals live in different places. All animals cannot live in the same place. For example, camel cannot live in Arctic region, fish cannot live in desert, or polar bears cannot live in the forest. Also, these animals have special features that are suited for the place they live in. Let us learn all this in this lesson. So children, see your book, page number 72. You have to fill in the tabular column with the name of the animals given in the picture and where they are found. So take your pencils and write. So number 1, camel. Next, desert. Number 2, shark. Ocean. Number 3, polar bear. Arctic. Number 4, tiger. Forest. The spellings are given in the book itself. Okay. So next is habitat. What is habitat? An area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. Where do we live? We live in our houses. Where do lion live? Lion lives in forest. Where do sharks live? Shark lives in ocean. So, the places or area where an animal lives naturally is called its habitat. Why do we call it naturally? That means the animals should themselves live in that area and not by force. You can see animals in the zoo. Is that their habitat? No. They are forcibly sent to the zoo. So, that is not their habitat. So, an area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. An animal's habitat gives air, water, food and shelter to the animals. The home of an animal is found within the habitat. For example, the lion's habitat is forest and the lion's home is its den. Similarly, the monkey's habitat is forest and the monkey's home is its trees. Okay. So there are different types of habitats on the earth. They are forests, deserts, polar regions, that is the cold regions, mountains, oceans, and freshwater lakes, ponds, and rivers. We will learn about these habitats and the animals living in each of them. So the first one is forest. What is a forest? A forest is a large area that is covered with trees and plants. So this forest provides shelter, that is, it is the home of a variety of animals. Animals such as lions, tigers, bears and bat all live in the forest caves. And many animals live on trees. For example, monkeys and different types of birds. Some animals also live on the floor, that is insects. They live on the floor. Moles, snakes, earthworms and rats, they live inside burrows, that is under the ground. So this is the forest. So next one is desert. What is a desert? A desert is a dry, sandy place that receives very little rainfall. A desert is full of sand. It is very hot during the day and very cold during the night. We cannot find water in deserts. The animals that are found in the desert are camels, rattlesnakes, ground squirrels, etc. Next one is polar regions and mountains. So polar region means the places that are totally covered with snow. The earth has two polar regions and they are Antarctica and Arctic regions. The mountains are also usually covered with snow. So these two areas are extremely cold. So the animals found in these areas have thick fur which keep them warm in this cold region. So the animals found in the polar regions are polar bears, seals and walrus. Also animals found in the mountains are yak and mountain goats. Okay, so with this we can complete today's class. Children, do read page number 72 and 73 in your science book. Also complete page number 67 and 68 in your science book. Go through the lesson and find out the answers. So this is your homework. So see you in your next online class. Bye-bye.